Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Trailer DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be looking at this Mighty Rain silicone mold for making your own combs and handheld mirrors. I saw this on Amazon and I just had to get it because I thought it was such a cool concept and idea. I'm going to show you everything that came in the kit, and hopefully we can make at least one thing in this video. I say that because I don't really have that much resin left, and I'm only using UV resin. So UV resin comes in like small amounts and it's so expensive. But I just had to get this. It definitely would be more cost effective to use epoxy, but there are a lot of like dangers using epoxy, like fumes and skin irritations, allergies, and just having to be accurate and measuring part A plus part B and mixing correctly and all this stuff that is just not for me at this moment. I'm just starting to get into UV resin and I just want to kind of experiment with that. Anyways, like I said, this is from Mighty Rain. Everything that you see here comes with the kit, but it also won't fit in frame, so I'm going to hold each item up for you individually. I will double check on the price. I don't remember how much it was. I think it was less than $20 for this kit. It's really cool because it comes with mirrors, so I'll start off with the mirrors. It comes with 2 round mirrors.
Making the comb.
Yeah, making the comb. So my baby loves to comb his hair, so I was like, oh, let me make him his own comb. So 2 round mirrors, comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 of these oval mirrors. There is a film on the mirror, so that's why it doesn't look as reflective. And the round mirrors go with this handheld mold here, this star mold. So here is the mirror mold. Hopefully you can see this. And this, I believe, is just like the lid for the star mirror mold. Then we have this handheld, what did I just say, handheld? Handheld mirror. So basically you pour the resin in here and then you glue the mirror on after it cures, or you can even probably attach it while it's curing. And yeah, or after it's cured and then attach it and then cure it again. But yeah, isn't that so cool? I'm excited for these. And then there's another handheld mirror, like that. And they're just kind of like a little bit different patterned. And then you get a small handheld comb, which is cool. You get this comb with a handle on it. This is, I think, the largest. And then you get a medium-sized comb with a handle on it. So that's everything that comes with the kit. I must say, this is probably the softest silicone mold I've purchased so far, and I've bought like a lot that I haven't shown you guys. I bought a lot. But yeah, it's super flexible, super soft, super shiny. I must say the quality on this is really nice. It is a little bit on the bottoms. Well, actually no, this one's not. This one felt a little thinner. But yeah, I'm excited to get this going. So let me mix up some resin and pour it in. I don't know if I'll be able to catch that on camera because I'm really messy and clumsy. So we'll see. We'll see how much of that I actually film. But at the end of this video, you will for sure see one finished product. Leave a comment down below on your guess of which one I will be making. And we'll see if you're right by the end of this video. Okay. Also, don't forget to thumbs up this video to help with the YouTube algorithm and help my channel reach more people and help the channel grow. Appreciate it so much. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. Okay, let's get to the resin pour. Okay, so I'm gonna start with using a layer of clear UV resin on the bottom, just to make sure it's super shiny and glossy. and I'm using this J Diction UV resin. English is not my friend today. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble talking, but I'm just gonna squirt some in, and I have a little tool here. Ooh, I don't know if this will work. Maybe that's not a good idea. You know what? I think I'm gonna have to use what do you call it? Those little pipettes and pipe it in, because especially for this one, there's a lot of small crevices which may not work very well. But yes, that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna do that off camera because I can't see that well. So it'll take me way too long to fill these things up, well, to at least even put one layer on. But that's what I'll be doing. I'll be right back. Oh, snaz, I totally forgot. I was going to cure the layer of clear first and then mix in the glitter, and I should have mixed it in a separate container and then poured it on top. But I forgot. Oh well, too late. So yeah, don't copy this method in case you were thinking of doing this. Do it the proper way. Guys, here is a close-up of what it looks like right now. And there's my little stir stick. It's looking pretty ugly, not gonna lie. I shouldn't have mixed the glitter in after. Like, I should have, again, put it in its own container and mixed it evenly. I tried to add some cyan glitter in there just to brighten it up because I was looking a little dark and uneven. And it's still looking dark and uneven. But yeah, here's a further view. Oh well, it is what it is. I'm gonna cure this and see what it looks like. Okay, I think like I said, I made a huge mess. I'm just going to use this barbecue lighter to just get rid of any bubbles on the surface. Let me see.
Yes,
Hopefully that worked.
water.
Ooh, we'll find out. Okay, now I'm just going to put it under my lamp. Probably for... Oh, you're tired? Okay, probably for a good 10 minutes just to be safe. And I'll be back with the unmolding. Okay, here's the finished product. I don't know why there's like a huge dent in here. Is that just part of the pattern? I don't know. I think I overfilled it actually. But yeah, weird. But okay, it looks a little better when it's like shining. Is it gonna come off is the question. Is this the side? Oh, this is the side I put the mirror on. Okay. Comes out really easily. Ooh, that's cool. There are some sharp edges though, so I'm gonna have to sand those down. But overall, not bad. Then, let's just take a mirror. Let's see if it fits in here. Kind of. And the ridge here is perfect. I think I just need to fill it with resin. And then there is the mirror. Cool. Alright. I just don't get why the back didn't come out evenly. There's like an indent, though you can't really see it. Okay, it's nice shine. Pretty sturdy. Okay, I'm gonna put the resin on the mirror. I'm gonna just put it in here, fill it up, and then place this on. That should hold it. Let me see, is there... Oh, actually, there we go. Just leave that for now. Just to show you guys. So cool. Came out looking, oops, the mirror fell out. It came out looking better than I thought it would, considering I messed up on the glitter. But actually, yep, not bad. Okay. I'll do a final reveal after I glue on that mirror. Okay, and I wanted to show you there is a film on the mirror. So that's good. I don't know if I should put this... I think I take it off after I glue it on, just in case there's any resin that gets on the top, right? That would make the most sense. Okay, let's try that. Oops. Guys, here's the finished product. You know what? It turned out a lot better looking than I thought, except there appears to be like a dent. I think it's my thumbprint. I think I touched it when it wasn't fully cured to check on it, and it probably just pushed it in. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. I like it. I like it. It's crazy what you can do with resin. Do you see that? It's uneven in the middle there. But overall, not bad for my first try. Right? Okay, well, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!